How's it going, guys? This is John, and this is Apple's $19 polishing cloth. Let's do the unboxing. Then I want to tell you why I think many people are buying this, why I think this is selling, and it may not be the reason that you have in mind. So let's go do the unboxing and we'll have a chat. Okay, guys, so here it is. And, well, of course, it's a small package. I mean, there's nothing exceptional being shipped here, so let's get right into it. Okay, I wonder okay, that's one of these. Nice. So even though this is just a cloth, guys, of course, iconic Apple packaging as usual. I love it. Just gotta get through this little plastic sleeve here so I can get to the actual product and we can get on with things. Ooh, okay. Like, you gotta admit, at least that's the way I see it, that no matter what Apple's selling, even if it's just like literally a piece of cloth, it still looks appealing. The way it's packaged is always impeccable. It's small, it's sleek. Of course, there's no reason why it shouldn't be sleek, but it just looks so beautiful. Polishing cloth in English and in different languages, safe for use on all Apple displays, including nano texture glass, etc. Let's just get to it. So here we are. The little pull tag. It's a paper pull tag, so that's nice. Or cardboard-ish, you know. Okay. And you open it. And here's your cloth. It's a beautiful color, I gotta say. And it's got the Apple logo embossed on here. It's a very interesting feel. There's this little cardboard here. Safe for use on Apple displays and surfaces. For infrequent cleaning of hard to remove smudges on nano texture glass. A 70% isopropyl alcohol solution may be used. Okay. Anyhow, so this is it, guys. It's not really large, and I'm not sure how to describe it exactly. It's kind of like suede, like super short suede in a way. Yeah, that's the best way I can describe it. It feels like suede, basically. But it's very, very short fibers. So yeah, this is it. It's got this somewhat machined rim to it. And I want to give you some context, okay, between this and between what you used to get with, say, a mid-2014 MacBook Pro. So this, and excuse the way it looks because it's been used and abused, this is what you used to get with a mid-2014 MacBook Pro. It used to come in the box. And I've got to say, this is what it looks like after years of usage. It's super thin. This is thicker. This is a higher quality product, but it's not as bendable and it's not as flexible as this. This was super soft. So I think, ironically, the softness of this and how you can like bend it and bunch it up is actually much more useful and convenient when you're wiping something than this. This seems very posh, and it is, but it's not very flexible. So in a way, the one that you got for free, well, not for free, but you know, the one that you got in the box with your mid-2014 MacBook Pro seems to be like it would be more useful than this one. Now, granted, before you even use it, just by feeling the front side of it is going to be a good product. Now, just holding it, it kind of made me wonder for a second if the back side is the same as the front side, like fabric-wise. And maybe it's just a bit of an illusion because this is the side that has the logo on it, so it kind of looks like it's not the same, but after closer inspection, yeah, they seem to be pretty much the same. All right, so that's the unboxing part. Now for the why I think people are buying this part. Okay, so aside from the reason that the new MacBook Pros do not come with a polishing cloth in the box, like we've seen previously, this is selling because of the way it's positioned in the purchasing journey of your MacBook Pro. So it's not all because people are like, ooh, it's an Apple cloth, it must be the best cloth in the world, I have to have the Apple cloth. That's not why everyone's buying this. On your purchase journey online when you get your MacBook Pro, from the moment you select it to the moment you actually pay for it, you're offered to buy a bunch of different products that may go well with your purchase. And one of them is this. So what happens at that point in your purchasing experience is that you subconsciously compare. You find yourself thinking, okay, $5K plus for the device, And 19 bucks just for this, just to polish it and keep it clean? Yeah, let's just throw it in. Not because you think it's necessarily the best. By that point in your purchasing journey, you haven't even seen this before in real life. You don't know what it's like. But the $19 price tag pales in comparison to how much you're paying for your MacBook Pro. And that's why it sells. The way customers buy this cloth is the same way a customer will buy a candy bar when they're in line at the cash register at a supermarket. They know that they can get candy bars like this for way cheaper if they were to buy it in bulk at the local well-known supermarket warehouse. But that's not the point. The point is the customer is at the cash register now, they look to the side, they see their favorite candy bar, they're here, the candy bar is right there, and the cash register is there. They're gonna grab the candy bar, buy it, eat it. It's that simple, an impulse buy. So in conclusion, after purchasing and unboxing this cleaning cloth, do I think that this is worth your money? Do I think that you should buy it? Do I recommend it? No, I don't. I don't recommend you buy this. Go get something cheaper or use your old one. So what do you think of this cloth? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.